to add transparency to your linear gradient, I think this video then belongs to you.
Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this tutorial we are going to add some transparency to our linear gradient that has been formed in our previous tutorial. Now in doing so, first of all we are going to discard off these backgrounds. That means this left box and this right box. So we are going to discard off this background first. This is the parent tip and this is the background of it. Then we are going to discard of this left box background over here and this right box background. Now if we reload and we see that this is the outcome of it, this is the central box now that in its full visibility. Now before delivering some speech on how to add some transparency to a linear gradient, first of all we need to mention some essential part of graphics and its display. In graphics or in visual display, any kind of visual display, there are practically three channels. Those are the red channel, the green channel and the blue channel. These three separate channels practically feeding a common channel which is known as RGB channel, and all the color information from these individual three channels, those are practically getting to this RGB channel. Now in fact there's a fourth channel for each individual channel and it is known as the alpha channel or opacity channel that actually determines the opacity level or visibility level of a certain element in that particular media or in that particular web page. That means it has four channels RGBA, and in case of each individual channels they are practically in existence with its own individuality. If we set the alpha channel to a value of 1 is the maximum value for the opacity channel and 0 is the minimum value for the opacity channel. That means if we set the value of opacity channel, that means alpha channel, to 1, then it is in the highest priority and every feature of that particular element will be visible in your web page. But if we set that channel to 0, then nothing will be visible. That means that particular element will be transparent to us. And on the other hand, you know that every particular channel, it uses 256 bits each for its full display. That means 0 will be the minimum value and 255 is the maximum value. That means its value ranges from 0 to 255 bits. So this time we are setting this value, each individual value, that means this red color, this green color and this yellow color, to its rudimentary code of RGBA. So we may represent a particular color with the aid of its channel feeding and we may write it as follows. Now here, this is the code that we are intending for. We will be practically adding transparency with the aid of these codes, which is RGBA. First of all, we are concerning about the red channel. That means the value of red channel. Now we are wishing to have here a full 100% red color. So the highest value of the red channel will be 255, fitting to RGB channel will be 255. So the highest value that the individual red channel can feed into the RGBA channel is 255. Now the green channel will provide no color information, that means it will be set to 0. The blue channel will be meeting the same consequences, and for alpha channel or opacity level, as we are intending to make it fully transparent, so we will be setting this value to 0. This is the value of alpha channel and it is set to 0. That means this color, this particular color will be fully transparent. Now if you talk about this green color over here, the red channel will be providing no information of color. That means its bit value will be set to 0. The green channel will be feeding full of its color, as the color code of this particular element was green. So it will be providing full feature of its color, so it will be in its maximum value, and it is 255. The blue channel will be feeding a 0 color over here, and for the opacity level you can set any value here ranging from 0 to 1. That means if we set here 0.5, and we will see what happens then. In the next segment we can see that this is an yellow color. So yellow is a combination of red and green. So we can write here in the term of RGBA as 255, that means full color to the red channel, 255 that means full color to the green channel, but 0 for the blue channel. That means the red channel will be feeding full value, the green channel will be feeding a full value, but the blue channel will be feeding no value at all to the common RGBA color channel. And then we want to make it fully opaque over here. We are setting this value to 1. Now all we need to do, we need to just press Ctrl S, and we need to copy this code to each and every color instances that is present over here, and it has to be represented in this manner. So all we need to do, we need to copy this code first, and we need to replace all these color infos with this RGBA presentation. Now what we are doing here, we are just pressing Ctrl S, getting back to our project. If we reload it, now we can see that the red color is completely gone. The green color is now at its half visibility, as we have set this value to 0.5, and the yellow color over here, it has full of its visibility, as we have set its value to 1. That means it is rendering its maximum visibility, and that is why we can see full feature of it. Here it is. So this is how we can add transparency to any background. So that's it for today's tutorial, and in the next tutorial we are going to learn about radial gradient. If you liked our video, and if you found this video to be useful, then do not hesitate to hit that red subscribe button. Thank you.